A mother is driving home from a routine trip to the grocery store. She is talking on her phone, unaware that the back seat of her car is empty. She just left her 6-year-old daughter behind. To understand how this happens, we have to look at the hours leading up to the mistake. Most emergencies begin on perfectly normal, predictable days. This visual breakdown shows their morning preparation. Before leaving, Emma and her mom gather specific items: a jacket, car keys, and a shopping list. Safety and situational awareness start here, in the controlled environment of the home, long before entering a public space. The modern supermarket is a massive environment designed for sensory overwhelm. It is packed with bright lights, towering shelves, and constant movement. Navigating this space safely requires a constant visual tether between parent and child. When Emma's mom answers a phone call, that cognitive distraction severs the connection. Simultaneously, Emma spots a distraction of her own. Drawn by a display in the toy aisle, she breaks her safety perimeter and steps away from the cart without saying a word. With the link broken, the mother's brain stays on autopilot. She finishes the shopping, pays, and leaves the store, entirely unaware that she is alone. A crisis like this stems from a split-second lapse in attention that creates a dangerous physical separation. The moment Emma realizes she is alone, the scale of the supermarket shifts. Towering shelves now loom over her, creating a sense of total isolation. We can label this physical reality with specific vocabulary. Emma is alone. Her heart is beating fast. She is scared. Survival requires overriding the instinct to run. Emma must execute the first step of the lost child protocol, staying in one place and looking for a safe, authoritative figure. A trusted helper is identified by visual markers. A store worker like Rosa wears a distinct green uniform and a clear name tag, signaling that she is a person Emma can approach for help. While panic is a natural physiological response to isolation, identifying a designated helper is the first action needed to resolve the situation. Once Emma finds a helper, she must cross the information relay barrier. She needs to provide a clear description of her missing parent. This involves reciting specific visual data points: hair color, the use of glasses, and the color of her mother's coat. This syntax tree shows how Emma uses the past simple tense as a reporting tool. By using the verb forgot, she shifts the focus from her current fear to a factual event that already happened. To recount the full sequence of the emergency, she uses a chain of past tense action verbs, like walked and helped, to map out the chronology of the crisis. The most critical data point is numerical. Emma recites the 7-digit phone number she memorized, providing the direct link needed to contact her mother. Possessing specific language frameworks, like physical descriptors and verb tenses, gives a child agency. Emma moves from a state of total confusion to being an effective, active participant in her own rescue. That phone call triggers a resolution. Within 10 minutes, Emma's mother rushes back into the store for a joyful, physical reunion. The mother takes full responsibility for the mistake and explicitly validates Emma for being brave and smart during the separation. Surviving this event changes their baseline behavior. As they return to the car, the mother institutes a new safety protocol, physically checking the back seat twice before driving. Emma secured her own safety by utilizing the practical data and communication skills she had practiced before the emergency. This flowchart outlines the 3-step safety rule: stay calm, locate a uniformed worker, and provide a memorized phone number. These steps connect directly to our core vocabulary: scared, worker, describe, and safe. Mastering the past simple tense allows you to accurately report the details of an emergency after it has occurred. Apply these tools yourself. Use the past simple tense to write your own story of getting lost in the comment section. Learning a new language provides the vital, real-world tools needed to navigate and explain complex situations.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and follow for more content.